Hello. Welcome to this English listening and speaking practice. In this video, you will learn simple English phrases to ask for help. Very simple phrases, very common phrases. People use these phrases every day, at work, at home, in daily life. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident. You will know what to say when you need help. Now, let's learn useful English phrases to ask for help. We will go group by group. Group 1. Polite ways to ask for help. Phrase 1. Please help me. Example. Please help me with this task. Phrase 2. Can you help me, please? Example. Can you help me, please? I am new here. Phrase 3. Could you help me? Example. Could you help me with this? Phrase 4. May I ask for help? Example. May I ask for help, please? Phrase 5. I need some help, please. Example. I need some help, please. Thank you. Phrase 6. Would you mind helping me? Example. Would you mind helping me for a minute? Phrase 7. Could you give me a hand? Example. Could you give me a hand with this box? Phrase 8. Can I get some help? Example. Can I get some help here? Phrase 9. I was hoping you could help me. Example. I was hoping you could help me today. Phrase 10. Could I ask you something? Example. Could I ask you something, please? Phrase 11. Can you please help me? Example. Can you please help me with this form? Phrase 12. Would you help me, please? Example. Would you help me for a moment? Phrase 13. May I have your help? Example. May I have your help with this? Phrase 14. Could you assist me? Example. Could you assist me with this task? Phrase 15. Please let me know if you can help. Example. Please let me know if you can help me. Group 2. Asking for help when you don't understand. Phrase 16. I don't understand. Example. I don't understand this part. Phrase 17. I don't get it. Example. Sorry, I don't get it. Phrase 18. Can you explain that? Example. Can you explain that again? Phrase 19. Can you say that again? Example. Can you say that again, please? Phrase 20. Could you repeat that? Example. Could you repeat that slowly? Phrase 21. What does this mean? Example. What does this word mean? Phrase 22. I'm not sure I understand. Example. I'm not sure I understand the question. Phrase 23. Can you speak more slowly? Example. Can you speak more slowly, please? Phrase 24. Could you help me understand? Example. Could you help me understand this? Phrase 25. I'm confused. Example. I'm confused about this step. Phrase 26. Can you show me? Example. Can you show me how to do this? Phrase 27. What should I do? Example. What should I do next? Phrase 28. Can you give me an example? Example. Can you give me an example, please? Phrase 29. I don't know how to do this. Example. I don't know how to do this part. Phrase 30. Could you help me with this? Example. Could you help me with this question? Group 3. Asking for help at work and daily life. Phrase 31. I need help with my work. Example. I need help with my work today. Phrase 32. Can you help me at work? Example. Can you help me at work this morning? Phrase 33. I need help with this task. Example. I need help with this task, please. Phrase 34. Can you help me finish this? Example. Can you help me finish this today? Phrase 35. I'm having trouble with this. Example. I'm having trouble with this report. Phrase 36. Can you check this for me? Example. Can you check this for me, please? Phrase 37. Can you help me find this? Example. Can you help me find this file? Phrase 38. I need help right now. Example. I need help right now, please. Phrase 39. Can you help me understand my job? Example. Can you help me understand my job better? Phrase 40. Could you help me today? Example. Could you help me today at work? Phrase 41. I need help with a problem. Example. I need help with a problem at work. Phrase 42. Can you help me learn this? Example. Can you help me learn this task? Phrase 43. I need help with my task today. Example. I need help with my task today. Phrase 44. Could you guide me? Example. Could you guide me step by step? Phrase 45. Can you support me? Example. Can you support me with this task? Group 4. Asking for help when you have a problem. Phrase 46. I have a problem. Example. I have a problem with this. Phrase 47. I need help with a problem. Example. I need help with a problem right now. Phrase 48. Something is wrong. Example. Something is wrong here. Phrase 49. I can't do this alone. Example. I can't do this alone. I need help. Phrase 50. I need help right away. Example. I need help right away, please. Phrase 51. I'm having a hard time. Example. I'm having a hard time with this. Phrase 52. This is difficult for me. Example. This is difficult for me to understand. Phrase 53. I feel stuck. Example. I feel stuck on this part. Phrase 54. I need someone to help me. Example. I need someone to help me now. Phrase 55. I don't know what to do. Example. I don't know what to do next. Phrase 56. I need advice. Example. I need advice about this. Phrase 57. Can you help me solve this? Example. Can you help me solve this problem? Phrase 58. I need help fixing this. Example. I need help fixing this issue. Phrase 59. I'm not okay with this. Example. I'm not okay with this situation. Phrase 60. Please help me understand the problem. Example. Please help me understand the problem. Group 5. Simple and natural help phrases. Phrase 61. Help me please. Example. Help me please. I'm lost. Phrase 62. I need help. Example. I need help right now. Phrase 63. Can you help? Example. Can you help for a moment? Phrase 64. I need a hand.
Example.
I need a hand with this. Phrase 65.
Can you help me out?
Example. Can you help me out today? Phrase 66. I could use some help. Example. I could use some help here. Phrase 67. Any help would be great. Example. Any help would be great. Thank you. Phrase 68. Can someone help me? Example. Can someone help me, please? Phrase 69. I need help understanding this. Example. I need help understanding this part. Phrase 70. Please give me a hand. Example. Please give me a hand with this. Phrase 71. I need support. Example. I need support with this task. Phrase 72. Can you show me how? Example. Can you show me how to do this? Phrase 73. I need help learning this. Example. I need help learning this skill. Phrase 74. Please guide me. Example. Please guide me step by step. Phrase 75. I'm asking for help. Example. I'm asking for help because I care. Now, it is time to practice speaking. Listen to the situation. Then speak. Do not worry about mistakes. Just try. Situation 1. You are at work. You do not understand the task. Can you help me with this? Situation 2. Someone speaks too fast. Can you speak more slowly, please? Situation 3. You feel confused. I don't understand. Can you help me? Situation 4. You need help right now. I need help right now, please. Situation 5. You want to be polite. Could you help me, please? Situation 6. You do not know what to do next. What should I do next? Situation 7. You need someone to explain. Can you explain that again? Situation 8. You are having trouble. I'm having trouble with this. Situation 9. You want help at work. Can you help me at work today? Situation 10. You do not understand a question. I'm not sure I understand. Situation 11. You want someone to show you. Can you show me how to do this? Situation 12. You feel stuck. I feel stuck. Can you help me? Situation 13. You want advice. I need some advice, please. Situation 14. You want help with a problem. I need help with a problem. Situation 15. You want to ask clearly. Can you help me, please? You did great. Speaking takes time. You're doing well. Now let's practice speaking together. Listen and speak at the same time. Do not stop. Just follow my voice. Ready? Let's begin. I need help. Can you help me, please? I don't understand this. Can you explain that again? Could you help me with this task? I'm having trouble with this. Can you show me how to do this? I feel stuck right now. I need some help, please. What should I do next? Can you help me understand? I need help at work today. Please help me with this problem. Could you give me a hand? Thank you for helping me. Good job. Today, you learned how to ask for help in English. You learned simple phrases. You practiced listening. You practiced speaking. This is real English. You can use it in real life. Remember this. It is okay to ask for help. Asking for help is not weak. It is smart. Every English learner asks for help. Even fluent speakers ask for help. Practice again tomorrow. Listen again. Speak again. Slow practice is good practice. You are learning. You are improving. Thank you for learning English with me.
See you next time.